How to cancel a hotel reservation on Priceline. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a guide for that. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and let us explain how to do it. So for that, we may open up the Chrome or any other browser and head over to priceline.com if you own browser, or if you want to use the application, you can use the application instead. Go over and download Priceline, which is free on your App Store and Google Play Store. Now, if you're on website, tap on priceline.com, and if you're not logged in, you can log in, or even without logging in, we can cancel it. For that, once we are headed over this page, look out for the menu option in the top left, and from the given menu, what we need to do is select this option of Find My Trip and tap on it. Now within here, this is the particular interface we should be finding. First of all, we need to look out for a reservation in order to cancel it. So for that, first of all, provide in your email address in the email address box, and right below it, provide in your phone number. And once you provide it in your phone number, what we need to do is we need to choose a method of delivery, the email or the text me. So select any of the method of the delivery, and they will provide you with the details and everything, and tap on Find My Trip. Once you do so, what will happen is it will give you a review of your booked hotel. You can look out for the cancel option available in that section, cancel trip, and just go ahead and confirm it out. Follow the prompts in order to do so within Priceline, and then you also won't be having any charge, so you can just go ahead and do it with free of cost. So usually you can just go and follow this method, and then you should be able to cancel your trip or your hotel's flight, car booking on Find My Trip or Priceline this way. So we hope this video was helpful. Ensure to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.